Aloha guys, this is Brandon with United Construction Group. Are you dreaming of transforming your Hawaiian home into something extraordinary? At United Construction Group, we've helped countless homeowners turn their vision into reality. Now we're sharing our expertise in a free 7-day email course. Learn everything you need to know about remodeling in Hawaii, how to plan and budget effectively, design secrets for island living, selecting materials that last in our climate, and working with the right professionals. Each day you'll receive expert guidance, video tutorials, and practical tips specifically tailored for Hawaiian homes. Plus, get exclusive access to our planning tools and checklists. Join thousands of satisfied homeowners who've trusted United Construction Group with their remodeling dreams. Sign up today for our free complete home remodeling guide. Visit UnitedConstructionGroupHawaii.com/guide to begin our modeling journey.